Do you want to know how to get your interior project completed in time? Hi, this is Akhilesh Likha, CEO of Divine Innovation, a company engaged in space transformation. In my last video, I spoke about benefits of hiring an interior architect, and my first point was no rework. काम दोबारा होगा तो पैसा भी ज़्यादा लगेगा और वक्त भी ज़्यादा लगेगा. If you want to save your time and money both, here are 8 points for you. First one is site assessment. Before working on the layout, the designer goes for site assessment. Measurements of site, any prevailing issues, where are the water pipelines, where are the sewerage pipelines, in North Point, etc. I have seen cases at sites where the work has started and then there are surprises coming. The drawing dimensions are different and the site dimensions are different, and the work gets hold कि अब दोबारा सारी dimensions लेंगे, drawings को ठीक करेंगे, फिर काम करेंगे. So let's save that. Anyways, the second point is division of spaces zoning. Each space has its own requirement, which is your requirement. The designer starts zoning the spaces accordingly and then moves to the third point, which is freezing the layout. Once he is done with the division of spaces, he starts with its detailing. Detailing means where the partition will come, where the door will come, where the anthropometry of the site, this dimensions. Anthropometry is a technical word, but that actually means taking care of dimensions so that the movements are easy, the placing is comfortable. Once the layout is approved by the client, we move to conceptualization. Conceptualization means design concepts for each space. For example, your reception, how the table will look like, how the ceiling, the backdrop, the walls, everything. Conceptualization helps fine-tuning with the client. Once the conceptualization is done, we move to VR or 3D or walkthrough. VR is the best way to do. VR actually means making a workspace before actually this is constructed. You get into your workspace. आप अपना ऑफिस बनने से पहले उसके अंदर जा सकते हैं. You can experience it, you can feel it. ऊपर देखना, left right देखना, and all that. Again, the next step, we can do two things in parallel. Either we can do detailed drawings or we can do BOQ, or we can do both because they are done by two separate teams. Detailed drawings are for architecture detailing and for the teams to get the work executed at site. BOQ actually means detailing each item, which make, what all raw material will be used, where it will be used, so that you are clear your site will be incorporated with what all kind of raw material, and you can check things accordingly later. And the final thing is execution plan. Execution plan must be done on a software like CPM Port, MS Project, using Gantt charts, etc. Because proper planning on this would help the site getting executed smoothly without giving overwhelming feeling to the project manager also by overloading him if the planning is not done better. But anyways, if you want to know more about any of these points, do get in touch with us. This is Akhilesh Likha signing off for today. See you in my next video. If you want to see my next video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.